Llamafile is a pretty genius way to allow marginal incompetents like me to download and run a large language model, LLM, on your own computer. In this case, it's LAVA, Large Language and Vision Assistant. Mozilla's innovation group and Justine Tunney just released Llamafile, which is a single downloadable file that contains both the model weights for an LLM and the code needed to run that model, including a local server and a web UI for interacting with it. Like having your own copy of ChatGPT. Llama.cpp is a C++ library that provides a lighter and more portable alternative to heavyweight frameworks for running LLMs. It supports inference for many LLM models and can be accessed on the Hugging Face website. Hugging Face is a French-American company based in New York City that develops tools for building applications using machine learning. It's known for its open-source contributions to the machine learning community, including the development of the Transformers library. In this case, we have several components combined in one big file, the Llamafile, that you can download and run on many different computers. In my case, an unremarkable 2-year-old AMD Ryzen-powered laptop and a 3-year-old M1 Mac Mini. It should also work on Windows, but I don't know if I can sneak it on the home PC without my wife noticing it. My laptop runs Debian and the speed is about 5 tokens per second, which looks like a pretty slow typist. On the Mac, the response seems to vary more, although the average seems to be 10 to 12 tokens per second, which looks like a slow to moderate typist. There are a number of different components working together here to make this happen. The net result is you have a single large file that you can download and run on your local computer to give you functionality similar to ChatGPT with Vision. Yes, you can also have this application describe images that you show it. Now, while I couldn't seem to get this feature to work on Mac or Linux, I beg you to consider that I may have just been impatient or simply doing it wrong. Please see the links below for notes on getting the file running, but on Debian Linux all I had to do was download the file, change its properties to make it executable, then launch from a terminal using /, then the file name. On the Mac, I did need to also install Xcode. Not sure if that's also necessary on Intel Macs. I'm pretty new to the Mac platform. Other than that, the process was the same. The Llamafile version I tried was from late November 2023. They also seem to be updating things pretty regularly. Note that the model does not have internet access, so you can't ask it topical questions, but otherwise the experience is very similar to any other chat-style LLM. When I asked it, it indicated its data set was from 2021, so similar to ChatGPT 3. And yes, it did hallucinate for me on one occasion. We are still struggling with that. Regardless, this is a great way to get your feet wet with an AI chatbot at zero cost and very little effort. Thanks for watching, and please check out the links in the video description for more information.